Hello and welcome to today's video. In today's video we're going to be looking at how you can crop an image in Illustrator using the clipping mask tool. First of all, find an image that you want to use and choose what shape you'd like to crop to. For this video I'll show you both the circle and the square tool. You can actually draw your own shapes with the pen tool, but I'm going to leave that out for now. Select the shape that you want to use and size and position it where you'd like to crop. Anything inside the shape will be visible, so make sure you remove the fill and the outline colour of the shape so you can see through it. Select both the shape and the background image and then click on Object in the top left navigation panel. Find Clipping Mask in the list and then select Make. I'll go through this process again using the square tool this time, just as another example. You'll now have the image cropped. When you hover over the shape, with the image inside it, you'll see the outline of the original image, the background. If you click once, you'll be able to move both the image and the shape. However, clicking twice will allow you to move the image behind the shape to change what's shown within. If you no longer need to use the clipping mask, select the shape by clicking once and then head back up to the Object tab. Find Clipping Mask once again in the list and then just hit Release. This will release both the image and the shape. As always, thanks for watching.